everyone! Today I have a recipe idea for you inspired by the south of France. It's Mediterranean diet friendly, super easy to make, and so delicious. With the holidays quickly approaching, this would make a perfect appetizer if you're entertaining or if you get invited somewhere. So come on, let me show you how we're going to make it. And these are our ingredients. We're starting with 8 ounces of Camembert cheese. We also have a lemon, some garlic, some shallot, some little tiny tomatoes, and Kalamata olives, and then something super delicious to dip into it. I've chopped up the shallot and garlic and I'm cooking it in some extra virgin olive oil. We're going to let this go until it gets nice and soft. Okay, now we're going to add our little tomatoes. And in here I have some spices. I have some dried spices. So I have dried thyme, dried basil, some red pepper flake, and some Italian seasoning. I'm going to add the juice of half a lemon. We're going to let these tomatoes break down a bit. Now we're talking. Okay, now I'm going to add the olives, which I've cut into half. And now we're going to transfer this to an oven-safe dish. Wow, look at that. Get all of those bits. Now we're going to put in the Camembert, which I've cut into 4s. I've taken some of the white rind off. You can eat that, it's perfectly safe. I just thought it would melt easier without it. Nestle them in there. And now this goes into a 425-degree oven for about 10 minutes. We'll see how it does. So what do you think? Are you going to make it? It was super easy and it's so delightful. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you very soon. Bye!